Thanks for watching. I'm meteorologist Jacqueline Thomas. Hope you've had a wonderful weekend so far. Today was a pretty quiet day overall. We had some sunshine, but a system is going to be moving in from the west as we head into Monday. So as we start the week, it's going to be much more unsettled, and you can see this system back to our west with rain and even some snow showers. That's all going to be moving our way, but we're going to be getting the rainier side of things with some warmer temperatures on Monday. Overnight, lows fall back into the 20s across most areas, some low 30s as you head south under a mainly cloudy sky. Those clouds thicken up as we head through the night. And then on Monday, much milder as temperatures climb into the 40s and 50s across the area, but it comes with rain showers and some gusty winds as well to start the week. So here's what this all looks like. As we head through the night tonight, we see these increasing clouds, and then during the overnight hours into the very early morning on Monday, generally the pre-dawn hours, any showers that try to come down may initially come down as snow north, a little bit of mixing, and there could be a couple of slick spots first thing early Monday. But once the sun is up, we're going to be looking at those milder temperatures. By mid-morning, we're talking rain across the state as the main precipitation type, and that'll be the case as we head through the rest of the day. Now, the day itself isn't going to be a steady rain the entire time. We likely could see a couple of breaks from the rain as we head through the afternoon. And then this cold front here is going to approach as we head through the evening hours, and that's going to bring a steadier period of rain along with some gusty winds and then colder air moving back in behind it. You can see these shades of purples and blues here indicating that rain changing back over to snow behind this system. So a few snow showers possible late Monday night into early Tuesday before we see that sunshine again. As far as the wind goes, we'll see gusts near 30 miles per hour during the day, but by Monday night, some gusts could come closer to 40 or 45 miles per hour as the system pushes through. As far as rainfall totals go, not really expecting a lot of rain with this system. It's generally going to be light to moderate showers on and off during the day with an occasional downpour here or there. But through the day, we're looking at up to about a ½ inch of rain across the area. Could see some locally higher amounts in any persistent downpours. Rest of the 7-day forecast as we head through this coming week, you'll notice the mild air doesn't stick around. We're back in the 30s for highs for much of the coming week. Could see a chance for some accumulating snow on Wednesday, but we're watching that, and then a couple more showers possible as we end the week.